Looking for well pump services in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand how crucial it is to have reliable water flow when you need it most. Whether you're dealing with low water pressure or a well pump failure, we've got you covered with fast and dependable service. Our well pump services help ensure your home or business has a consistent water supply. From repairs and installations to routine maintenance, we specialize in both shallow and deep well systems, offering solutions that keep your water flowing smoothly. In Sherwood Park, we know the unique challenges local well systems face. That's why our team is dedicated to providing tailored services that meet your needs, with a focus on quick emergency response and professional care. Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for well pump